would you like to have that right off your front porch? Jay with Oklahoma Ponds, tell me, would you not love to come out every morning and have your coffee next to this? We are just putting on the final touches of this 4,500 gallon ecosystem pond. We've been working on it for about 5 days now out here in Seminole. We've had pretty good weather and access was great the whole time, so we really took full advantage of that. These new pond owners have a lot of grandkids that are going to be interacting with this thing, so we kept that in mind while we were placing these boulders.
I can't stay.
Hello everybody, I'm Jay with Oklahoma Ponds. We are out here in Seminole, Oklahoma. September, beautiful day, fun project ahead of us. We are putting in a good sized project this week. It's going to be a 14 by 20 roughly sized koi pond, 3 feet deep. We are using premium boulders. So all these boulders are really between 600 to 1,000 pounds each. They're going to have to be placed one by one over the course of this project into the pond. So the larger the rocks that we use, the more fun, really. Kyle's out there right now getting the transit level set up. That's what we are going to use to make sure that our water level is good and the water is going to be flowing and filling up to the levels that we want it to. We're going to use this as our template for digging out the hole for the pond. So we want to give this a real nice natural look. That way we can, when we start to place our boulders in, it'll naturally kind of come into a not so uniform layout and design. We have got most of our pond laid out with the paint. We have a pretty good plan of where we're going to go. So when we're working with these large boulders and they're palletized right at the time, it's really hard to tell exactly what this water feature is going to look like. So we rely on our experience, on building waterfalls, studying other people's work, that kind of thing, to really make the feature the best that it can be. Put some sunscreen on. Come on, lather it up. So we've got a lot of the initial hole already dug out, getting ready to carve in our shelves and do some of the detail work with the pond here. We've got our outer side, which is now level across from side to side. All these yellow dots here mean that we're in level with each other. So for the most part, all the way across, we're in good shape. So what Kyle's doing now is he's going to go through and double check our blue line, which is where our shelf is going to be, our first shelf, which is going to be 12 inches below water level. That's for marginals, koi, that kind of thing. Yeah, so all these blue dots here are going to ring with the transit. That means that is 15 inches below grade right over here. And the yellow dot means our grade that we're judging by. So blue dot means 15 inches below that. Blue line means 15 inches below grade as well. Alright, so we've got the hole pretty much completely dug out. We're getting ready for our underlayment and our liner to go in. We got our liner in. Guys are down there loading up some of the rock, getting it ready for the bottom of the pond here. We always start from the bottom and kind of work our way up. I told them we're all trying to load rock at the same time, and I said, you know what, this is too many people working in one space, so I'm gonna go vlog. Anyway, this is the pond with the liner in it. The liner that we use is a 45 mil EPDM liner. It's fish safe and really has a lot of different uses. Okay, so we've got a good portion of the pond rocked in with our large boulders. Some of these boulders were pushing 800 pounds. So we finally got them in place. Took some good time and made sure we did a good job. This is a real important part of the pond. The skimmer, all this floating debris that you see kind of on top of this, on top of the water here. If that was still to be there whenever we're finished, we turn the pump on and the skimmer will collect all this floating debris for us. This is going to be our future waterfall. Right there's our Biofalls. Water that filters the water. It's where the waterfall starts. So that's going to be buried into the ground, disguised by some boulders, and that will be completely hidden. That's going to be the start of our waterfall. As you can tell, we've already got some cascades built into our waterfall here, the base of our waterfall. So water is going to come from up here, pull in, and then come in and split between this big rock on these two falls, about 8,000 gallons an hour. So it's going to be super impressive. I don't think the project could have came together any better than what it did, really. We're using an 8,000 gallon AquaSurge pump, so it's actually a variable speed. It can go from 4,000 gallons an hour up to 8,000. Of course, we got this one set for the 8,000. We've got our little interaction boulders here so the family can come up and stand on these three flat rocks. The grandkids feed the fish. This is also the deepest part of the pond too. So lots of falls. We're dressing up the biofilter now. We're going to plant all this mondo grass, all the monkey grass all the way around the back of this. So it really looks like a natural well where all this grass has just been growing, drinking from the well. Again, I couldn't be happier with how this thing turned out. It's a little murky right now. We just got done rinsing off everything, and that's not uncommon for a brand new pond after being built. There's Kyle up there putting on the finishing touches, and we're ready to get going. It's a hot one too today. But again, I just couldn't be happier with how this whole project came out. We've got an auto dosing system on here, which will steadily add the water treatments that's needed for this size pond, any size pond really. And you can just kind of dial it in, and it will add, it's just a cocktail of water treatments, which is everything that we recommend a pond have consistently anyways. Anything from a flocculant, bacteria and enzymes, phosphate binder to help keep back on the algae. Couldn't be happier with how this came out.